So I am in progress with changing out the original CD player in my 2005 Chevrolet Tahoe. And to do that I need to map out the speakers in the system and the power cables and install this standard ISO connections for my new player. So to map out the cables I'm using my DMM. I start with measuring volts and I connect my negative lead to some chassis ground, then turn on the ignition and find every cable with voltage on. Then I set DMM to ohms. Then I start to ohm out the cables, so all the cables with 4 ohms thereabout is a speaker, because the speakers are 4 ohm speakers. So one end from the DMM to one of the cables, and I just poke around with the other one until I get a reading on my DMM. So I've already mapped out everything, but here I got 3.6 ohms, so that's a speaker. So when I have find all my speakers, then I use my signal generator or function generator to give a signal out to the speakers. So I figure out which speaker is on front, left and right and back. So I set my signal generator to 1 kilohertz. Then I just connect positive and negative connector to one of the speakers. Then I hear a beep where the speaker is. So this is the right front speaker, or right back speaker is this. Then I know that in the center console here I've got a subwoofer. So I have figured out that this one is the center in front, and to check that this is a subwoofer I just decrease my signal to 60 Hertz. Then I got a good bass tone on my speaker. So I know that this is the subwoofer. If I do this to one of the regular speakers, I won't get that deep of a bass. So yeah, this is just how I map out my cables to install a new stereo in my Tahoe. See you next time. Bye.